Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and my YouTube channel name is All Course Answer and आपको किसी भी कोर्स के आंसर चाहिए तो कमेंट कर देना and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video and please watch video on PC and laptop for clear visions and जो today our topic is जो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है वो एडवांस मशीन लर्निंग स्पेशलाइजेशन कोर्स फॉर क्विज आंसर एंड जो मेरी जो पिछली वीडियो थी उसमें मैंने वीक 1 एंड वीक 2 एंड वीक 3 सभी के क्विज़ के आंसर के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। सभी के मैंने सॉल्यूशन अपनी वीडियो में बताए थे एंड जो आज हम करेंगे प्रैक्टिकल रीइंफोर्समेंट लर्निंग क्विज आंसर के बारे में डिस्कस एंड द वी in this course have week 1 have no quiz answer. Now we will discuss week 2 quiz answer. And the week 2 quiz answer have three parts: optimality in RL and quiz policy iteration and the quiz reward design. And first we will discuss optimality in RL and the first question answer is this is the first question answer. Randomness of the action given state, randomness of rewards gives state and action, randomness of the next state given state and action. And the question number second answer is this: mean reward the that agent can get out from the environment starting from state 8 and acting according to pi. And the question number third answer is this: mean record that agent can get out of the environment after making action alpha and state S and subsequently acting according to pi. And the question number fourth answer is one or more. This is the question number fourth answer. And the question number fifth answer is provide the first state as not is fixed agent plays the policies and so on. This is the fifth answer of week 2 quiz answer. And the part B is policy iteration week 2 quiz answer. And the first question answer is 1 build a value function and second extract a policy function from the value function. And the question number second answer is an agent acts greedily with respect to combinations of immediate reward and the expecting return under policy pi. And the question number third answer is 1. एक्चुअली मैंने जो मेरी ये इसको मैंने PDF में कन्वर्ट कर लिया था ताकि वीडियो थोड़ी शॉर्ट बन सके. The question number fourth answer is after reaching precision level further refinements of the solution will not change the result of subsequent policy improvement. And the question number fifth answer is does not require perform policy evaluation until its convergence and the A and its global optimum and that does not acquire to improve policy in each and every state as long as policy in any state is improved once in a while and does not depend on initialization. This is the 5 question answer. And the 6th question answer is with arguments operator. And the question number 7th answer is A and D policy iteration update value function until numerical convergence of all its state values before each policy improvement step. And the D answer is value iteration perform only one iteration of policy evaluation before policy improvement step. And the part 3 answer is reward design. And the first question answer is it tells agent what we want it to do. It defines the value of each triple. And the question number second answer is sparse reward signal. The length of an episode can be infinite. Positive feedback loop problem. And the question number third answer is scale the reward signal and reshape the rewards. And the question number fourth answer is it focus agent attention more on close reward and reduce the value of distance. Once it reduce the variance of the returns estimated by decreasing the contribution of distance rewards. This is a week 2 quiz answer of practical reinforcement learning. And now we will discuss week 3 quiz solution of practical reinforcement learning. And the first, this is the free enforcement learning, and the first question answer is this: model free algorithm does not rely on knowing environment dynamics, and model based algorithm knows rewards in advance every state and action. The question number second answer is q value for 500 states into 6 action is equal to 3000. And the question number third answer is the problem is that agents reward for passing first several gates will only mean first at the game and 5000 tricks and so on. And the question number fourth answer is A, implement expected value SARSA and so on. And the question number fifth answer is q value learned by learning can be different from those learned by SARSA. And C answer, a minimum amount of data of update q value table with q learning is tuple of next state. And this is the week 3 quiz answer. And now we will discuss course for practical reinforcement learning week 4 quiz solution. And the first part is DQN quiz answer and quiz MC and TD quiz answer. And the second is SARSA and learning. And first we will discuss quiz MC and TD answer. And the first question answer is A and D. This is the A part and this is the D part. And the question number second answer is A, D, TD targets have small variance, and F. In MC learning we cannot update the models. And the question number third answer is value function and expectation of targets. And the question number fourth answer is TD is online and MC is online. And now we will discuss quiz SARSA and Q learning. And the first question answer is SARSA is based on Bellman expectation quotation, and the second is Q learning is based on Bellman optimal question. And the question number second answer is there are several sources of stochasticity in SARSA target. And the C answer is all method except SARSA. And the question number third answer is E and F in case when it is possible to compute and so on. In this case when the action space is too large. And the question number fourth answer is A, D and E. And the first is both algorithm can use same neural network. The algorithm differ only in a form of date. Both algorithm use the regression laws. This is a week 4 quiz solution of practical reinforcement learning. And now we will discuss week 5 quiz answer of practical reinforcement learning. This is a week 5 a policy based quiz, and the first question answer is parameterize the action picking policy. Find such policy parameter that maximize expected returns. And the question number second answer is a gradient of expected reward actions probabilities. And the question number third answer is advantage actor critic SARSA. And C, check. And the question number fourth answer is unlike reinforcement, unlike reinforce and unlike reinforce and so on. You can see this answer A and B. And the question number fifth answer is A, This is the question number 5th answer. And the question number 6th answer is it trains an agent with a help of human critic. And the question number 7th answer is a critic predicts we minimize. This is the A answer of question number 7, week 5 quiz answer of practical reinforcement learning. And now we will discuss week 6 quiz answer of course number 4, and in this course have two-part exploration and quiz MCTC. Now first we will discuss quiz exploration, and the first question answer is A and B, regret estimates and smaller regrets. And the second question answer is A and C, with constant epsilon and an epsilon greedy strategy. And the question number third answer is A and D. In case of simple multi-armed bandit, and in some case epsilon greedy strategy. strategy. And the second part is MCTS, week 6 quiz answer of reinforcement learning. And the first question answer is planning allows to compute and planning is computationally intensive. And the second question answer is in model free setting we know nothing about environment dynamics, and in model based setting we can find out which pair are possible given current state and action. And the question number third answer is decision time planning, C, and background planning, the approach of learning from environment model samples with any model free method. And the question number fourth answer is approximate the returns from the leaves of a scratch tree, and C answer use heuristics to guide the search tree growth. And the D and stop expanding the search tree as soon as the specified depth is reached. And this is the week 6 quiz answer of practice and for reinforcement learning. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video, and thanks for watching my YouTube channel.